Here at Cavan, we have our Hawk Strimmer Heads in stock. These are one of the most user-friendly and universal strimmer heads there is on the market. Come along as we show you how to apply it. The strimmer head can be applied to the machine in a couple of seconds. All you have to do is just put on your strimmer head, tighten your nut and put on your cap. Adding your cord is simple as well. All you have to do is thread your cord in through the holes and even it up on either side. With this strimmer head, it reduces the time and the effort it takes to refill your ordinary head with your strimmer line. The removal process is very easy. Take out your line, take off your cap, loosen your nut. Okay. If you're interested in one of these strimmer heads, you can call in store or visit clarksoncavan.ie.